Hi, I'm Nathan from Brookstone, and today I want to show you our bright, backlit travel alarm clock with temperature. This clock is perfect for traveling and has easy viewing even in the dark. See the time, day, date, and indoor temperature all at a glance. You can also set an alarm with this travel clock. The big digit display has a bright EL backlight that makes it easy to read in the dark. The clock is powered by one AAA battery and measures in at 2 inches wide by 3 inches long and 3/4 inches thick. It is compact, so it can be placed on a desktop or nightstand. For more information about this and our other great travel products, check us out at brookstone.com.